and good morning, everyone. Today, I'll share some excellent growing expected Indian shares across various sectors. Growth sectors: healthcare growing due to an aging population, increase in chronic illnesses, and growth in disposable income. Companies to consider: Ayushman Bharat, Indian Metals, Yatharth Hospital, Mahanagar Gas, Bajaj Consumer, Apollo Hospitals, Fortis Healthcare, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Sun Pharma, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. Renewable energy: India aims to have 450 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity by 2030. Companies to consider: solar power companies like Tata Power Solar, Adani Solar, wind power companies like Suzlon Energy, Renew Power, bioenergy companies like Praj Industries, Ruchi Soya, small hydropower companies like NHPC, SJVN, Inox Wind, Mitra Energy. IT growing quickly, with sales expected to exceed $300 billion by 2025. Companies to consider: software development companies like Infosys, Wipro, cloud computing companies like HCL Technologies, Tech Mahindra, AI companies like Tata Elxsi, Persistent Systems, Internet of Things companies like Intellect Design, Happiest Minds, Mindtree, L&T Infotech. Emphasis: real estate growing due to urbanization and demand for commercial space. Companies to consider: real estate development companies like DLF, Godrej Properties, affordable housing companies like Ashiana Housing, Indiabulls Real Estate, commercial real estate companies like Oberoi Realty, Prestige Estates, Brigade Enterprises, Phoenix Mills, Sobha Limited. Fast-moving consumer goods, FMCG growing due to increasing incomes and urbanization. Companies to consider: packaged food companies like Nestle, Britannia Toiletries companies like Hindustan Unilever, Pro Cleaning Supplies companies like Reckitt Benckiser, Dabur Personal Care companies like Marico, L'Oreal Beverage companies like Tata Consumer Products, Coca-Cola. Automotive growing due to increasing incomes and demand for electric vehicles. Companies to consider: passenger automobile companies like Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai, commercial vehicle companies like Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, two-wheeler companies like Hero MotoCorp, Bajaj Auto, three-wheeler companies like Atul Auto, Mahindra and Mahindra, electric vehicle companies like Tata Motors, MG Motors. Specific stock picks: Dollar Industries, share price target 528 rupees, stop loss 506 rupees. Bajaj Consumer Care, share price target 269 rupees, stop loss 258 rupees. Infosys, share price target 1850 rupees, stop loss 1750 rupees. Apollo Hospitals, share price target 4500 rupees, stop loss 4200 rupees. Conclusion: these are just a few examples of excellent growing expected Indian shares. Remember to do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before investing. It's also important to diversify your portfolio and not put all your eggs in one basket. Thank you.